Good morning, student. How are you all? Hopefully, we are very fine. I am so fine. But we are passing time, uh, rainy day time. So all time sky, cloudy sky, and outside heavily rain. And that time we are mind also. Sometime mind good, uh, mind sometime bad, and relationship our weather and uh, we are mind. But today I will take we are class topic also how to draw and paint rainy day scenery. First I show this how to draw and paint rainy day scenery. We are draw first. See, look at the picture. We see the picture. I have to complete the picture. This is pastel color. This is a pencil sketching. But now I show this road, how to draw road. First draw curve line, one curve line. That's this road, and and very far one river. See, see the river, see the river, and very far I will draw one straight line and draw some bushes, a small tree, a river, draw some hill. I show this how to draw man who hold the banana tree leaf. See, I just show this one man how to draw man. First we draw rectangle shape. This is the rectangle shape and leg and head, hand, hold the and banana tree leaf. Thus I show this banana tree leaf how to draw. This is the complete drawing and umbrella with one man. See, look at the in front of some stone and bush and a small tree. Now see the one man I'll draw this umbrella with. First I'll draw this umbrella. And hold the umbrella and leg. Here look at the picture. I have to do two men. They are firstly running on the road and beside one coconut tree. See, I'll draw this coconut tree and draw a sky, cloud, and draw cow. Here, this is the cow. Here, see, follow me. And cow tail. Here, see, and draw a sky and some. In front of some, draw tree, a small tree and bushes. Now, if you like, some draw a boat, very far boat and boatman. Just we are see the picture. I have to finish this line drawing. Finish this line drawing. Now we are going to the some draw rain. I have to draw. See, look at the picture, a student. Draw some rain. Now finish this line drawing complete. Now how to make color. We will see. I'll show this just how to make color. See, we are first I'll sky also deep blue color. See the picture. We are see the picture. In sky, light blue, deep blue, some light blue sky. Sky light blue and deep blue. Some places deep blue, some place light blue with mixed white color. See, look at the picture, student. And draw coconut tree. See, and I'll draw this. Draw this on the road and land also yellow, light green and deep green. See, we have look at the picture. So many color I have to use this in the picture. See, I just show this land yellow, some place yellow and light blue and light green color. Sorry, light green. Here also light green. And another man also dress orange color, white color, and banana tree leaf light green color. We are see the picture. The see, I have to see. Here see the picture. Just I show this how to make. See, we see the picture. Just have to draw some line drawing with black color. Yes. This green, light brown color road. See, we are some places green color, deep green color here. See, and coconutty deep green color. Yes, look at the picture, student. So many color. And coconutty deep green color and brown also brown color here. Now land also green color, green, light green, deep green and yellow color. We see just I have to show this so many. This is a small stone on the road, a small and bigger stone. Here brown color, light brown and deep brown, and a cow also brown color, and another man with umbrella, and umbrella also black color, dress yellow color, red color, and cow also light brown color. Another man is a farmer, is a running heavily, forcefully running on the road. See another color and body color is brown color. See the picture. See, and sky also deep blue and light blue color. Some places and white color with mix sky and some and cloud also black color. Some black color. Rain also black color. See, we are see the picture. Rain black color. And cloud also black color. See, we are look at the picture, student. See, and another, if you draw pastel color and multicolor, then same color we are can use so many color. And pencil sketch we are use 2B, 4B and 6B pencil color and shading. And this is the multicolor. This is one color, sketch color, sketching picture. Hopefully we have finished this picture. Now we are just we are line which place not properly used, just see the picture, and I will take next class and next picture. That time I will tell what about we draw according to syllabus. Thank you, student. See you again. Bye bye.